I am grateful for this new day and all the opportunities it brings. I welcome abundance into my life with my open heart. Money flows to me through multiple positive sources. I am worthy of financial freedom and prosperity. I attract opportunities that increase my wealth and success. Every day I make smart decisions that improve my financial future. I am building lasting wealth with confidence and purpose. I deserve abundance in all areas of my life. My income continues to grow and expand. I am aligned with prosperity and success. My body is healthy, strong, and full of energy. I nourish my mind, body, and spirit with love and care. Every cell in my body supports my health and my well being. I wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and motivated. I choose habits that strengthen my health every single day. My body knows how to heal, restore, and thrive. I am grateful for my health and vitality. I honor my body by treating it with kindness and respect. I breathe deeply and fill myself with calm, healing energy. I feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant each day. Happiness is my natural state of being. I choose joy regardless of my circumstances. I am grateful for the blessings in my life. I attract positive experiences and positive people. My heart is filled with peace, love, and happiness. I find beauty and joy in each moment. I release stress and welcome inner peace. I deserve a life filled with happiness and fulfillment. I am creating a future that excites and inspires me. Today, I choose optimism, gratitude, and hope. Wealth, health, and happiness flow effortlessly into my life. I trust that wonderful things are unfolding for me. I am abundant, healthy, happy, and thriving. Everyone, everything I need is already on its way. Today is a beautiful day and I'm ready to receive its blessing. I am abundant, healthy, happy, and thriving. Everything I need is already on its way to me. Today is a beautiful day and I am ready to receive its blessings. I am abundant, healthy, happy, and thriving. Everything I need is already on its way to me. Today is a beautiful day and I am ready to receive its blessings. Take a deep breath, smile, and carry this positive energy throughout your day.